welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing with you my top 6 Tant Saree collection. So without further ado, let's get started. This is a green and a white combo sari. It has a moha par or a big border towards the end, and all the stitching is done by machine. I do prefer hand stitch, but they are very costly. However, I got everything from a store in Calcutta called Adi Mohini Mohan Kanji Lal, and I do think that they sell all the saris online as well, so you can go check them out. The name of the store once again is Adi Mohini Mohan Kanji Lal. Usually Tant sarees are see-through sarees, however with a petticoat it looks absolutely fine. You can see how I have styled them. This is again another beautiful pink Tant saree. This is gifted by my aunt. It has a moha par or a big border. I absolutely love the color combination. You can wear it with any blouse of your choice. It goes with green, white, pink, blue, any blouse of your choice. And I will also show you how I have styled it. This is the anchal, and everything is machine stitched. Again a beautiful green Tant. This is gifted by my mom. It has a moha par or a big border, and everything is machine stitched, and she got this for me on my birthday from Adi Mohini Mohan Kanji Lal. Entire body of the saree has this beautiful golden intricate design, and you can wear it with any blouse of your choice. Again, don't forget to mix and match. With a golden tone jewelry like the one that I'm wearing, or else you can use a silver jewelry as well. Next up, I have my favorite Tant saree. Like you can see, I have worn it many times. It has beautiful color combination, and this nude color suits every skin tone. So this is one of my favorite. Overview of Tant. Tant saree is a traditional Bengali saree originating from Bengal region in the eastern part of the Indian subcontinent. It is usually used by Bengali women. It is traditionally made by the weavers from almost all over Bangladesh and the Indian states of West Bengal, Tripura, Assam, Barak Valley. Bengal is famous for Tant Saree weaving. Tant Saree are woven from cotton threads and distinguished by its lightness and transparency. It is considered to be the most comfortable saree for the hot and humid climate in the Indian subcontinent. A typical Taj saree is characterized by a thick border like the, mohapar that I was talking all this while, and with a decorative pallu. They have different kind of motifs like amulet, royal palace, half moon, garland of moons, fish scale, elephant, blue sky, spiral, star, flower. This is how they are done. They are usually hand printed. However, because of the high cost, they have different kind of machine prints as well. Next up is this beautiful yellow and red combination Taj saree. It has this white star motif all over the body. The trick to washing cotton sarees or Tant sarees is that it should be soaked briefly in warm water mixed with rock salt to prevent the saree from bleeding colors during subsequent washes. Washing with a mild detergent followed by starching and then hanging them to dry in a shaded area will ensure the longevity of the cotton sarees. This is yet another beautiful saree. It has a combination of red, yellow and white all mixed together. It has again a thick border and it looks absolutely stunning with any kind of designer blouse. Traditionally, handlooms were used by the weavers for crafting Tant saree. However, today they are replaced by power looms to weave these sarees. This saree has got beautiful flower motifs in the upper and lower yoke. I have paired this saree with a blue blouse, so don't forget to mix and match. So with this we have come to an end of this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification so that every time I upload a video you are notified. And see you in my next one. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, be positive, spread positivity, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.